It is available in 2 attractive finishes, cherry wood and mahogany. To start with the assembly, take the column assembly and slide the chrome-plated side of the L-shaped frame into the tabletop mounting bracket. Align the holes of the tabletop mounting bracket with the holes in the column assembly and insert the bolt in the holes. Secure the screw using the provided Allen key. Place the base H-frame over column assembly. Install 2 screw sleeves into the column assembly and attach it to H-frame. Attach the bottom plate using the 2 screws and tighten them with an Allen key. Place the trolley upside down. Insert the trip lever with the rounded side facing up into the column assembly. Insert the bolt into the horizontal hole and secure it by tightening with a wrench. Securely tighten the knob to lock the position of the table. Don't remove this screw, as doing so may irreversibly damage the table. Please remove the black screw from the column assembly. Secure it with the provided standard screw after releasing the trolley top. Before using the trolley, ensure that the knob is not tightened. Test the trolley by running it up and down to confirm proper functionality, and then lock the knob once you have achieved your desired height. KosmoCare Multipurpose Table Trolley is now completely assembled and ready for use.